Feeling trapped in the cycle of financial stress? Dreaming of a life where money isn't a constant worry? Introducing Mario, your guide to financial freedom. With a wealth of experience under his belt and a playbook that's transformed countless lives, Mario is here to help you navigate the choppy waters of financial uncertainty. In our fast-paced world, financial stress is a reality for many. It's an endless cycle of earning and spending, with little left for savings or investments. But imagine a life where you're not just surviving, but thriving, where money is a tool for growth, not a source of anxiety. This is the life that Mario wants to help you create. Enter the MRA Passive Income Playbook, a comprehensive guide designed to break the chains of financial stress. This playbook is more than just a collection of strategies. It's a roadmap to financial freedom. It's about creating multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not. It's about making your money work harder, so you don't have to. The MRA Playbook is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a systematic approach to building wealth over time. It's about understanding the power of passive income, mastering the art of money management, and leveraging the potential of side hustles. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a life of abundance and freedom. But this is just the beginning. As we delve deeper into the MRA Playbook, you'll discover a wealth of actionable tips and strategies to help you create a robust financial portfolio. You'll learn how to diversify your income, maximize your earnings, and make smart financial decisions that will set you on the path to financial independence. With Mario's guidance and the MRA Playbook, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a goal you can achieve. So, are you ready to break the chains of financial stress? To transform your financial future? Stay tuned, because this journey is just getting started. Ever wondered what it would be like to earn money while you sleep? That's the power of passive income. Passive income, in its simplest form, is money that you earn without actively working for it. Imagine a river constantly flowing. Now, picture yourself as a dam, collecting and using the water, or in this case, the income that continuously flows your way. The river never stops, and neither does the income. That's passive income for you. But let's delve a little deeper. Passive income is often generated through investments, royalties, or business ventures that you're not actively involved in. Take rental income from real estate, for instance. If you own a property and rent it out, the monthly rent you receive is passive income. You're not trading your time for money. Instead, your asset, the property, is working for you. The beauty of passive income lies in its potential to provide financial stability. It's an additional stream of income that supplements your active income, the money that you earn from your job or business. This diversification of income can cushion financial hardships and open doors to financial independence. Financial independence, a state where you're not reliant on a job to meet your financial needs, is a dream for many. With passive income, this dream can become a reality. The income you generate passively can cover your living expenses, freeing you from the shackles of a 9-to-5 job, and granting you the freedom to pursue passions, spend more time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life on your own terms. And the best part, there's no limit to how much passive income you can earn. With smart choices and strategic investments, you can grow your passive income streams exponentially, bolstering your financial security and accelerating your journey to wealth creation. Imagine a life where your income doesn't stop when you do. That's the power of passive income. Ready to dive into the MRA Passive Income Playbook? Let's uncover the strategies that can lead you to financial freedom. The MRA Passive Income Playbook is more than a guide. It's a comprehensive strategy to financial independence. It's about creating an ecosystem of income streams, diversifying your earnings, and mastering the art of smart money management. Let's start with the basics. The playbook emphasizes the importance of diversification. Just as a tree spreads its roots wide to draw nutrients from a larger area, diversifying your income sources allows you to tap into multiple revenue streams. This not only provides a safety net in case one stream dries up, but also opens opportunities for exponential growth. Now, how do you diversify? There's a world of possibilities out there. From rental income to dividend stocks, from affiliate marketing to online courses, the playbook outlines numerous avenues for generating passive income. It's about exploring these avenues and finding the ones that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. But remember, diversification is only half the battle. The other half is smart money management. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. This involves budgeting, saving, investing, and continuously educating yourself about financial trends and opportunities. The playbook offers practical advice and resources to help you navigate this journey. There's also a focus on the power of compound interest. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. As Albert Einstein famously said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it." The playbook provides strategies to harness the power of compound interest to build your wealth over time. And lastly, the playbook encourages a mindset shift. It promotes financial literacy as a lifelong journey rather than a destination. It's about embracing learning, taking calculated risks, and persisting in the face of challenges. Armed with the MRA playbook, you're on your way to building a secure financial future. Understanding the playbook is one thing, but how do you put it into action? Mario has the answers. So, you've learned about the power of passive income, explored the MRA passive income playbook, and you're now ready to implement these strategies. But how do you start? Well, the first step is to understand that financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, commitment, and a solid plan. One of the key strategies in the MRA playbook is diversifying your income streams. This means not relying solely on your 9-to-5 job, but also creating other sources of income. This could be through investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. The idea is to create multiple avenues of income that work for you, even when you're not actively working. But let's be honest, challenges are part of this journey. You might face hurdles like lack of time, capital, or even knowledge. That's where the MRA playbook comes into play. It's designed to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to overcome these challenges. For instance, if you're short on time, consider passive income streams that require minimal maintenance. If capital is the issue, focus on low-cost investments or side hustles. You can start with little to no money. Remember, the goal here isn't to become rich quickly. It's about building long-term financial stability. It's about making your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's about gaining the freedom to live life on your terms. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep implementing the strategies, keep learning, and most importantly, keep going. Consistency is key in this journey towards financial independence. And while you're at it, don't forget to regularly review and adjust your strategies. The financial landscape is dynamic, and so should be your approach. Stay flexible, stay informed, and stay committed to your financial goals. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're ready to take on your financial goals. As promised, Mario has a special announcement. Could this be the game changer in your journey to financial freedom? Drum roll, please. Here it comes. Mario, the mastermind behind the MRA Passive Income Playbook, is launching an exclusive membership program. This isn't just any membership. It's a golden opportunity to get up close and personal with the strategies that Mario himself uses to achieve and maintain his financial freedom. Think of it as a backstage pass to the world of wealth creation. A chance to dive deeper into the world of passive income, side hustles, and money management. This membership program offers an unparalleled wealth of resources, including exclusive content, personalized financial advice, and direct access to Mario and his team of experts. Imagine having a personal guide to navigate through the complex nuances of financial planning. Someone who's been there, done that, and is ready to share their wisdom with you. That's what this membership offers. It's like having a financial guru in your pocket, ready to assist you at any moment. But why is this announcement so special? It's simple. This membership program is designed to empower you, to give you the tools, knowledge, and confidence you need to take control of your financial future. It's about more than just making money. It's about achieving financial independence and living life on your own terms. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial expert to benefit from this membership. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial freedom or are already on the path, this program is designed to help you level up your financial game. With this membership, you're not just learning about wealth creation, you're actively participating in it. You're taking concrete steps towards achieving your financial goals and securing a brighter future. So, there you have it. That's Mario's special announcement, an exclusive membership program that could potentially change the way you approach financial freedom. With this announcement, Mario takes the MRA playbook to the next level. Ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? Your time starts now.